In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Ring Central Screen Share technology. It's very, very simple. And you would have already set up your tabs across the top here according to what Vince has given you. Be sure you do that. And this is all in preparation for your demo. Now, you would have already downloaded and activated your Ring Central Meetings application on your desktop. Here it is. I have the icon. I click on this and it opens up this pop-up, and what you want to do is click on Start Without Video, the screen share. Be sure you do not click on Share Screen right here. This does not work the same. Click on Start Without Video. You're going to start the screen share without video. Click on that, and you'll notice both screens here on the right hand side. It goes full screen. I can click on the right hand side, click Escape, and it makes this a little smaller. That's fine. I'll leave it that way on purpose. Over here on the left hand side, you have phone call and computer audio, and you're not going to use either. And by the way, when you do send the link, I'm going to show you how to send the screen share link to your client or potential customer. You're going to tell them to simply click on the screen share but avoid or ignore the phone call and computer audio. They're not going to need either of those because you're talking to them on the phone, right? Go ahead and click on Done right here. And right here is Copy URL. See that right there? Click on Copy URL. Okay, it's copied it to the clipboard. Now let me go ahead and exit full screen here for the moment. And I will move this over to the right here, out of the way. Right here, you want to go to your Gmail, and you have that already set up according to what you've been instructed by Vince. And you're going to have the customer email here already set in there or pasted in now. You're going to have your email and the subject line, My Power Biz Demo, and then here's the link to the demo, and then you simply copy, and then of course, we've already copied over here, copy URL, and we're pasting it here, and that's it. Now, you're going to send this when it's time to send to the client. You obviously do not send it now. Do not send this link before you're in a demonstration, and you only send it at the time that you've been instructed to send it, okay? It's all ready to go. Now what you're going to do now is set up your screen share, and this is all before you have your call with the customer. You're going to click on screen share right here, and you'll notice it shows desktop 1 and 2. Now if you have 2 monitors, which we highly recommend, then you're going to have desktop 1 and 2, and it, depending on how you like to work things, if you like to read on the left hand side and demonstrate from the right, then by all means do that. I like to have my information on the right hand side and have the demo area, the presentation area, on the left. So I'm going to leave it here, right here on the left. You select it, it'll show green here. See that, right? If I click right, desktop or here, whiteboard, whatever, it's going to highlight it in green. So I'm going to choose desktop 1. There are 2 things you want to make sure you do when it comes to screen share. Number 1 is make sure you select the right view, the desktop 1 or 2. The second thing you want to do is be sure to click on Share Computer Sound, because if you show any videos with sound in them, they are not going to be able to hear the sound from that video unless you click this. You check it, they will be able to hear the sound from their own computer. Otherwise, they're going to hear it from your set through your mic, which is not a very good experience, okay? So check desktop 1 or 2, and then check Share Computer Sound. Click on Share Screen, and there it is. Now avoid hearing duplicated audio. You want to make sure that your computer speaker is down very, very low, because otherwise it will cause some echo. Because if it's coming out loud from your speaker, and when you're playing a video, it'll come through your mic as well as they're listening to it on their computer, and that can cause echo. So be sure to turn it down on your computer and press OK. Okay, and that's it. Now right here on the left hand side, you see this green line here. Everything within the green is going to be on display in the presentation. It's that simple. Okay, so it's sharing the screen right now. So according to the instructions that have been given to you, you go to the default landing page that Vince instructs you to do. You'll have your tabs like we already mentioned all the way across, and you have your resting page, and that resting page is showing this, it's inside the screen share, and that's active. Okay, so once you have your screen share active and you have your Gmail ready to send them the link, you do not send it to them until you're talking to them and say, are you ready? Are you sitting down? Are you ready for this? So on and so on. Follow the instructions that have already been given to you by Vince, and then you send out that link. Okay, only then, okay? Want to make sure you understand that. So it's on the resting page, you're ready to go, and this is it. Thank you so much.